Good evening. With 18 race days to go on the local calendar, the race for the Jockeys Championship at Caymanas Park has taken on great significance. Now, leading rider Anthony Thomas led Dick Cardenas by as many as 27 wins up to mid-August. But a combination of factors has seen Thomas's lead being whittled down to 11 following Cardenas' 5-timer on Saturday's 10-race card. As it stands now, Thomas has 77 wins, with Cardenas next on 66. And the former champion Shane Ellis some distance behind third on 48. So the championship will pretty much come down to Thomas versus Cardenas. I think there are three main factors though at play in terms of how the Jockeys Championship is panning out. Thomas's runaway lead started drying up in September, and the 5 race day suspension he was slapped with appeared to have had broken his momentum. He served 2 days and appealed against the other 3, but lost that appeal and ended up serving the 3 days over a staggered period. Now, during this time, the momentum went Cardenas' way, and the former champion has really hit a rich vein of form in bringing home the winners, mainly for trainers Anthony Baba Nunes and Richard Azan. The introduction of the latest batch of apprentices and Thomas losing his 2-kilogram claim towards the end of September also appear to have had an effect on his form. More trainers will be eager to utilize the claiming advantages of the new apprentices, and this means that quality rides may diminish for some of the more established riders. The Jockeys Championship could therefore come down to support from the top trainers, meticulous approaches by the agents in securing quality rides for both Thomas and Cardenas, both riders avoiding suspensions, and importantly, both jockeys holding their nerves under pressure. The level of experience among both jockeys could also play a key role in the outcome of the championship. Now, this is where Cardenas has a vast advantage, given that he has been riding at Caymanas Park since 2008 and previously won the Jockeys Championship in 2011, while Thomas, who is seeking his first championship, started his career just 3 years ago. The race then for the 2018 Jockeys Championship could very well go down to the wire and turn out to be a most fascinating affair. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.